What up, YouTube? Your boy Big C back at you on another rainy day. I was supposed to go out and cut, but we had forecast for rain. I thought I was gonna be able to beat it before I got out of church, so you know it is Sunday. But I didn't have time, and the rain beat me. I didn't beat it. So I came to play in my garden. I'm gonna flip the camera around, let you see how it's doing. Thank God, keeping my fingers crossed. I haven't had no critters come and start nibbling on stuff. It's May the 5th, 1 week before Mother's Day. And like I told y'all before in my other video, which click back below and go back to the first video of urban garden in the alleyway. My garden, the garden center, Clark's Garden Center, told me to plant majority of my other crops after Mother's Day. It is cold here in Chicago. It's like 56 degrees. The lows is 45 at night. So they said, you know, we could dip back up in the frost. Thank God we haven't. But right now, you're gonna see when I flip the camera around, I have mustard greens, turnip greens, collard greens, broccoli, and cabbage out. And they doing pretty good. The rain has been helping me. But I'm gonna show you what I got. And then I'm also, as an added feature, I'm gonna show you my compost pile, which is doing pretty good. All right, let me flip this camera. So, as I told you, my gate, I got chicken wire here. I sprayed that vinegar and Dawn soap and salt. I didn't have extra salt, I just got the extra salt. Some of the weeds died off, but I gotta spray them again, and I'm waiting for a really dry day. We've been having rain every now and then. But right there is my mustards. Here go turnips and mustards up there. Then all the way at the tip is collards, and the rest is mustards right here. That's on this row is broccoli, and all the way up at the top is cabbage. So right now that's all I could put out because it's cold. It's still kind of cold. Oh, as you seen, I got, you know, my crops is doing pretty good. Knock on wood that don't no critters come, but I am gonna put some repel down. In the very first row, closest to the chicken wire, I did put some corn seeds down, but they have not sprouted yet. Still got my fingers crossed. Hopefully they sprout, and I'm gonna put some more down. I gotta still get tomatoes, cucumbers, maybe squash, and hot peppers. I'm doing jalapenos and green peppers, or sweet peppers they call them. I hope I got enough room. And thank my local school district, District 133, our SPED class is growing watermelons, and they already sprouted. So to donate to the urban garden man, Mr. Newsom, their computer guy, they're gonna give me a couple of the watermelon seedlings. So, you know how I told you in the middle, I was gonna just have a open row so I can walk in between. I probably put the watermelons, because everybody keeps telling me, grow some watermelons, grow some watermelons. So I'm gonna try the watermelons out. And since they got the seedlings, I'm gonna use them since they free. So I'm gonna show you my compost pile over here in a few seconds. So here go my compost pile right there. I know y'all like, well, I can't see nothing because it's a tarp. Yeah, I got it tarp because it was raining. And there's moist under there, but I'm trying to keep it moist. And you'll see in a little clip I'm gonna add to this, I've seen a little worm. So I got my brown at the bottom, which is cardboard. I got some grass, which I had got from cutting one of my clients' grass that they didn't have any, hadn't been treated. So got some fresh grass. And if you look over here, I know it's kind of hard to see, but I did residing job about 3 years ago, and I had a lot of sod left over. So they said I could use the old sod as green material. So I've been chopping it up a little bit by a little bit and putting it in my compost pile. And I seen worms today. Oh, let me show you this. This used to be one of my clients threw away their above ground garden bed. So I'm gonna use that scrap wood that they had and put like in between the plaques of these skids I got, because you see the hose is kind of big, and I know you like, you ain't got all the skid pieces yet. Yeah, I refuse to pay for wooden pallets. Call me cheap, I don't care. I refuse to pay for them because too many people throw them away, and I'm just trying to repurpose them, and whatever I can find in the hood, I'm gonna use for my compost pile. So I'm gonna make a 3-bin compost pile right here, and use the compost to feed the garden. I know I didn't do it in the beginning, but I'm gonna try to see how everything work out. I just got my fingers crossed, because like I told you, I was gonna dedicate my next video to my father, which is Mr. CJ. He was the first one to show me how to do a garden, being that he was a sharecropper from Mount Bayou, Mississippi. And we did it on the opposite side of this garage, and we had collard greens for like 2 years straight. The garden was growing so much vegetables. We couldn't get to it fast enough. It was rotting on the ground. So I'm praying I had the same outcome with this garden, so I can give it away to neighbors, friends, family members, church members. So like I said, I got to get the tomatoes and stuff. And yes, I said I was going to cheat, which I have been cheating. I'm going to use some organic fertilizer, which I'll show it to you. It has biosolids in it, so it's not fully synthetic. It is bio. So I'm gonna show you the bag in a few minutes. It's a 10-10-10. So hold on so I can go show you this bag. So I don't want y'all to think I'm just talking stuff. All right, it's not fully organic. It does say right there, 50% organic by weight. So it does have some biosolids in it, but it is 10-10-10. It says premium fertilizer for turf grass, but yes, I am using it in my garden. Shoot me if I'm wrong, but I feel like I can use this and get away with it. Here go the spreader settings. Yes, it has some what's the names with it, some disclaimers. But yes, you see right there, biosolids. And it's Green Pro. You see it's professional fertilizer. Alrighty. Here go the first good sign that your compost pile is doing good. Good sign. You know your compost pile is starting to do good. Little wormy worm. Look at it.
This is a demo track. Woo!